Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 19th till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Don't try to force yourself, fit yourself forcibly into the reading. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course 2, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have, honey. We have the Ace of Swords. Someone is pretty sure, pretty clear about the situation right now. Mental clarity, a lot of mental clarity. And or someone is feeling like even if there are lots of obstacles and challenges and whatnot in the situation, they feel like going in this direction. For most of you, it's a person that you're already connected to. For some of you, it's a new person, new energy that's ready to fight for the situation, and they're very clear that they want to do it. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Swords here. यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से. Stay with me. Four of Wands, Eight of Swords, the Three of Wands. Yeah, this is someone who feels like having a very stable, committed kind of energy between you and them. Right now, the path is not clear. Right now, everything is kind of trapped and messed up. But they're looking forward to have that kind of day in their life someday, that everything is going to be crystal clear between you guys, and you guys will be able to have a very stable base, have a very stable connection. So they're pretty sure, pretty clear in their mind that they feel like having committed kind of relationship. Right now things are totally against the situation, but they feel like someday it's going to happen. The contradictory thing here is that this is somebody who is 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation, but they're still holding on to this hope that someday it's going to happen. I will make this happen no matter what. That's the deal. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Three of Wands here. Both of you are on the same page. Both of you are mirroring each other's energies and giving this energy of we are moving on. Yeah, moving on. You're also feeling like moving forward and connecting to something better or someone better, but you're also 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation, at least energetically. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. We have the Temperance, the Ace of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. Yeah, you feel like while you are moving on towards something better, someone better, you feel like remaining very patient with the journey. Someday you will be able to find the love of your life. Someday you will be able to open up to the person or to the energy that's actually meant for you. Meanwhile, keeping the back door open for this particular person or energy to show up again if they are meant for you, the one that you're connected to energetically right now. So for most of you are going to say, yeah, chapter over, done, I don't want it, done and dusted, then it's not for you, honey, clearly. But for others of you who are still waiting and hoping for this person to come back around and work it out with you, you are moving forward towards something new or someone new and hoping for the best for you, best outcome for you. At the same time, keeping your back door open that if this is meant for this person, between you and this person that you're already attached to, then also you're fine. You're hoping for the best. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Moon card. Their intention to come out is to come out of their fears and face the fears. Okay, face the fears and come out of this complexities and maybe no contact. Okay, let me clarify the moon. We have the Star card and the Five of Wands and the Three of Swords. This person is scared of the drama, the issues that are and opening of the can of worms that might open up when they will start healing the situation between you and them. But they want to do it eventually. This person wants to come out of this fear of this will happen, that will happen. It's going to create a lot of drama. It's going to hurt me. It's going to hurt them. Basically, this person wants to heal the situation with you and them and get out of their fear of what will happen next. They're just planning. All of this is happening energetically. Physically, I don't know. Maybe you're living in the same house, but maybe not happy with each other. There's a distance here, physical distance, emotional distance. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Leo. Eight of Cups. You want to detach. Healthy detachment. You want to detach. You want to keep moving ahead in your life, and you just want to move on towards, again, something better or someone better. Let me clarify the Eight of Cups. We have the Eight of Wands, the Seven of Swords, and the Two of Wands. You want to keep moving ahead in your life until unless you are going to get the proper truth about a particular situation that you're still holding on to. You're deliberately keeping yourself at a safe distance from a particular person or situation, and you're waiting for some kind of truth to come out so that you can do something about this situation. Maybe you are waiting for somebody to speak up their truth or reveal something to you. Until unless that is going to happen, you just want to keep moving ahead in your life without being in this energy of desperately waiting for something or someone to show up so that you can move on and create your happiness. No, you are doing this energy, you are taking this energy of, okay, let me create my own happiness, let me create my own life, and whenever it is supposed to happen, it will happen. That kind of attitude we want to um, practice right now. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 25th of May. Leo. Devil, not a good outcome though. Let me clarify devil. Let's see, maybe it's getting out of your energies. The devil is still in your energies. The devil is unhealthy attachment, unhealthy obsession, unhealthy pattern of Tower. And the Four of Swords in reverse and the Queen of Wands. Okay. The devil is returning. Somebody will not be able to handle it anymore and they are going to straight away come to you. But the way they are coming towards you is not healthy. They're still the same kind of devil energy that they used to be. Still there is unhealthy patterns. Still there is unhealthy attachments. And or if there were third party and energies around you, still they are present. But the devil will not be able to handle it anymore, and they are returning. They're like, hey Leo, I'm here. Can we do the same shit again? Because I want to be with you. Okay. They were telling me they are going to wait for the right time and they are going to make it happen, make it sort it out with you or something like that. But the way they are returning is a very impulsive energy of wearing their heart on their sleeves and doing something very impulsive, but still having this devil energy of unhealed energy. Something is going to trigger them to do something about the situation, and bam, they are going to be like, hey, I'm here, devil is back, and I don't know what you're gonna do. Run away as fast as you can. No, don't run away. Okay, I got so scared. I was like, oh my god, now the mic is off or something. Keep moving ahead. Do not look back. Do not allow this devil to suck your blood again or your energies again or drain you again, because they haven't healed anything at all. They're still the devil. They're still the kind of energy that you left, and they're still on this energy of they want to heal, they want to change, but they haven't yet. So maybe later on, come back later and check on it if you want to. But for the time being, just keep moving ahead and do not look back, because this is not healthy. This is not good at all for any of you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.